Okay, so I know you've heard the buzz about proportioning. Today we're going to go over the most popular styles of proportioning. We have the classic style valves, and then we have the more modern style valves. So here we have the Sidewinder Pro. This has the GF valve, metering valve system. We've got our soap line, our water line, and then our bleach line. We also have dials to where we can actually look and see where we need to be at mix ratio wise. So for our dialing in ratios, for the strong mix, we're going to turn the water wide open all the way around. It'll say 180. And then for the bleach, the sodium hypochlorite level, we're going to turn that to where it's wide open as well. That gives us a 6% mixture. For the smaller mixes, like a 3% mix, you would leave the water wide open. The bleach would be half to where you see in the dial the clear arrows here. If you wanted to go lower and get more of a 1.5 mixture, you can come back to around 40 on the dial. Also, if you notice on this Sidewinder, we have the ability to adjust your soap. One thing that you can do is customize your soap line and add a 3-way ball valve to enter another tank, to adjust another type of soap, or you could even have a neutralizer to neutralize your bleach into that tank, and that would be adjusted by this valve. In order to get more strength out of a neutralizer type setting, you would turn your bleach all the way off and have your water and your neutralizer at full wide open. To rinse your pump out, you would close your soap line, close your bleach line, and then have your water wide open. Also on the Sidewinder, you'll see these are check valves. These prevent your chemical from going back into the line and into your tank. If you'd like to know more, you can give us a call at 1-800-433-2113 or email us at info@powerwash.com.